It definitely wasn't traction control. Take the power back. Take control. Take responsibility. Riding shouldn't be about electronics. The limit is yours, and yours only.
We're at Mugello in Italy in 4 weeks' time. Rossi putting on a bit of a show.
Vermeulen tietysti.
Ja nätissä sladissa tulee kyllä.
Melandri näyttää, että hän on ykkönen. Pitkää liukua. Melandri ottaa kisavoiton.
Mitenkään on ollut. Ja tässä nähdään hidastettuna.
No niin. we need to spend a lot more time on the bike. It's pretty tough, you know. I know it's not where I should be, and
motion picture of smoke pouring off a back tyre in qualifying, I think in Portugal or South Africa. I can't remember which track. You thought, what is going on there?
A difficult weekend for all the riders, but just look, they're not changing the way they ride. They are pushing those bikes to